If you're experiencing low performance on your Nintendo Switch, there are several quick fixes you can try to improve its functionality. Follow these steps to enhance your gaming experience. Step 1. Restart your console. Sometimes, a simple restart can resolve performance issues. Hold down the power button for a few seconds, select power options, and then choose restart. Step 2. Update system software. Ensure your Nintendo Switch is running the latest software. Go to System Settings, scroll down to System, and select System Update to check for and install any available updates. Step 3. Clear cache. Clearing the cache can help improve performance. Go to System Settings, select Data Management, then save Data Cloud Backup, and choose Clear Cache for the games you want to refresh. Step 4. Free up storage space. Low storage can affect performance. Check your available space in System Settings under Data Management. Delete unused games or data to free up space. Step 5. Check for background applications. Close any applications running in the background that may be consuming resources. Press the Home button, highlight the game or app, and press the X button to close it. By following these steps, you should notice an improvement in your Nintendo Switch's performance. Regular maintenance can help keep your console running smoothly.